As we left you last week, we'd found ourselves in a bit of a pickle, with a broken backstay after finally leaving Hervey Bay. Returning back to the Great Sandy Straits Marina with our tail between our legs, we had to get busy preparing for a rigger. Been here before? Welcome back. If you haven't, you have much to catch up on. Nearly 5 years ago, we sold our goat farm in Victoria to hit the road in a truck and caravan. After 4 years of exploring Australia, we've changed course a little, selling our caravan and buying a 48-foot yacht. Exploring overland is still a priority in our truck, but now we are adding the sea to our adventures. Oh, and I forgot to mention, we don't know how to sail.
We've had the rigger here today to look at our rigging, and we're going to replace it all. To start with, I need to find out a few things and a few items for sizes and so on that I'm going to do today about pins and in the furler and all of that sort of thing. We're going to get that information for him so we can order the parts early next week, and hopefully they'll arrive in a few days, and it should be done, if everything goes to plan, by the end of next week. And we'll be a lot poorer, but at least the rigging won't break when we're out sailing and Catherine's driving.
Don't blame my driving.
It broke when you were driving.
It's not my fault.
I think it is. It's Catherine's fault.
Yeah.
While we had the time, instead of sitting around in the marina doing not much and drinking beer, we decided to remove all the sails, the jib and so on to get ready for the rigger. So we're doing as much work as possible prior to him coming, so that when he arrives he can just get stuck straight into it. This also includes, like I mentioned, is measuring pin sizes up the top of the mast and everything like that we can do to help the rigger, which is Colin from Custom Marine Rigging in Hervey Bay. So we'll see how it all goes. We'll definitely let you know.
Carl, you took a picture of it, right? No?
It'll be okay.
No, it would be not okay. So give me your phone, we're gonna take a picture. First thing to do when you disinstall something, you take pictures.
I'll do it though.
Where you don't have another tool for that?
It's got to go all the way down, out the bottom. Okay.
Can you take everything inside? Yeah. Don't pull. Don't pull. Okay. Just to make sure that it's inside. Hold on. Yeah. So he wants to take off everything?
Yep. We'll tie that off so we don't lose it.
Yep. Like what he is thinking about, like even like the fuller?
I've just got to take it apart, the bottom part, and have a look at it for him.
So I don't understand, like he wants that to take off?
No, the above that.
The fuller?
No, above it. Here. Down, lower. Yes, that can stay on. We'll just take it from there.
After a long hot day, Caddy came up with a new idea. Let's go dancing. Alice and I went and hit the dance floor, and I did it literally.
Well, you can probably guess where I am. And I finally found Catherine. It's taken a while. She went out with Alice last night to the pub to have to see a local band and have a few drinks, and she ends up here in hospital. I knew about it last night, but I had just come down this morning. Apparently there was a big punch on at the local pub, and she got literally involved in the middle of it in the dance floor, got ambushed and pushed and smashed her head. So we're waiting to see whether she's got a fractured skull. She's got a black eye.
And a big egg on my head.
And a big egg.
And I know now that my head bounces.
What floor was it?
It was the dance floor.
What was it, concrete?
Oh, it's wooden top. I don't know about what's underneath it. It sounded like a big crack.
Can't let her go out by herself without adult supervision, because you know what happens. Walk. Straight away.
So mean.
Hospital. Instantly. Anyway, she's still alive. And we're waiting for results. Another few hours. How do you feel?
I feel like an idiot. And I just want to go to sleep. And hospital's not a place for sleep or rest.
We've got some good news.
I'm allowed out. Yay.
Allowed to go.
No fracture, so that's good. Okay.
Just a black eye.
Black eye, yeah. And a sore head.
And a sore head with a big lump, but no fractured skull. So, very good. And now she can get back to cleaning. Fast, quick. Or cooking.
Put you up the mast.
Or some rigging work maybe.
Oh, good.
We're back on the boat after our little hospital expedition. Or not little, it was half a day for me and a day for Catherine.
Mm-hmm.
But we're back.
We're back.
And everything's
A-okay.
almost normal, except for a big lump on your head.
Mm-hmm.
And as we said, no fractured skull and
Just a black eye.
a crazy...
You can't see it, I don't think.
You can see it. A crazy bleeding eye from, I don't know, too much impact or something.
Yeah.
So, apart from that, she's just as normal as always. Oh dear. Love you. Most of the time.
Depth that varies.
Ah, shit.
The upcoming activity may cause you to cringe or imagine your own pain if you were in that situation.
And at the back, we've got the main halyard.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe that won't work. I tried that the other day and it doesn't pull this tight because it pulls on this.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
this is useless. This is just like to have like some tools. This is useless. I'm not
Okay.
gonna use that at all.
Okay.
And so when you will host me, you have to look at.
Colin the rigger agreed that we could help out as best we could with certain things to keep the price down on our new rigging. So we need to get some measurements, and Alice has said that she would like to go up the mast. Normally I'd put Carl up the mast, but due to my recent injury, I'm not allowed to pressurise my head. And Alice struggled getting Carl up the mast last time, so she'd prefer to go up herself. Not going in the bosun's chair? I'm not sure that that's going to be a good idea.
And you look at me, because if you don't look at me, you will hurt me. Because this, as you can see, it's not comfortable, okay? Okay? So really look at me and follow my movement, okay? 1, 2, 3. Made it halfway. I was thinking about something. I'm not gonna be able to be like sit down there
No.
because it's too
Yes.
it's not too stable at all.
Yeah. You want to come back down and put the chair on?
Are you ready?
Yep. Up.
Okay, look at me, girl.
Yeah, I am.
Let's go.
What do you want?
Up.
Up. Okay, hang on a tick. I don't think this is gonna work.
Up. He's doing it.
I'm trying.
No? No, it's okay. It's okay. When I don't tell you anything, it's good. It's too complicated. It's too much. Okay, 19. 19. 59. 59.
Are you sure? It sounds too big, Alice.
Yeah, but
Should be.
it's inside. You know it's inside. It can be. It's very difficult to measure. So it's that. I tried.
We gotta go up. It should be either 12 or 18.
But it's very difficult to measure. It's inside the mast. It's inside.
Okay. We'll just take a picture and that'll do for that one.
Try a little bit higher.
Higher.
Papa. Papa.
Yep.
Okay, let's go. I'm not gonna stay here for a lot of time. Okay, I have 1577.
Yep.
1577. 1577. Okay, it's good.
Yep.
Yeah, tell me.
Good.
Okay. The other side is the same.
Yep.
Yes or not?
Yes.
Okay. And the stand, I have to measure the stand.
The,
What do I have to measure? The triadic. Tell me.
the back one.
The wire.
The wire and the pin on the back.
1253.
Yep.
1253. 153. Yep, got it.
Yes. Good.
Perfect.
That's it.
Yeah, let's go.
Down.
Let's go down. It's hurting me. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ah,
You got that?
let's go. We're going.
Let it off a bit. Let it off.
Okay. Ah, let's go. Right. Right. Quick. Take one off. Take one off. Okay. Go.
Down.
Do longer thing. Longer. Longer.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Just a little bit of slack, please. Little bit of slack. Okay, let's go.
You got to grab it in case it goes.
Longer. Yes, like that. Yes, let's go. Longer. Look at break. Slack.
Sorry about the rest.
Not too much slack because I'm gonna take off the.
Don't worry about them, Alice.
What?
I can go up and do them later.
It's hurting you too
Why?
much.
Because it's
I'm
hurting
in the
you.
position to do it.
Okay, rightio.
Okay?
Sure.
I did the half, but
You can break it if you want to by wiggling it. You know, half of the, just wiggle backwards and forwards to break it is okay. The pin, the little thin pin.
yeah.
If you go backwards and forwards, you can break it off, if that helps.
If I do what?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Ah! Let's go longer. Longer. Let's go. It's not possible. This condition is not possible. Like it's just too painful. Yeah. So just we're gonna ask a good person here to.
I'll go up and do it, Alice.
Oh no, but it's not a problem of that. And it's a mass without wig, you know? Like I'm 60 kilos, you know?
Yeah.
So it's also the same, you know? So just like we're gonna ask a good person share, like adapted, and not this.
That was the old person chairs, the one that.
But I'm just gonna take this one and it's just gonna. climb the mast like this, I'm not gonna do your weight, and definitely not Katin either, you know? So.
And if things weren't already bad, here comes a storm.
The worst. I want to do it right now.
What's that?
Do you want to do it right in the middle of the sun?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing it right now
Why?
because I want to get him the information today.
Yeah, but it's fine. We're just gonna drop the thing. It's just gonna. Okay.
You don't have to help.
It's all good.
We're good.
Of course, I have to help. Like I'm not
We
gonna
can
stay
do it.
to watch you.
But at least the wigging, at least the. I don't know why. It's going to be a week. Yeah.
I can't stay in the sun.
I can't. But I don't know why I can't. No, just tell me why I can't do it.
It makes you stronger.
No, it's not that it's supposed to be stronger. My technique is not good. Like it's not possible.
Can't do it too slow. As you can tell, she's done her makeup for this YouTube interview session and she's got her little red bikini on.
I've got my stickers.
Got some stickers happening there. Looks like a Pokemon or something.
Pokemon. Oh dear. Oh dear. I'm hungry.
I had pizza, what do you had?
I had a coffee.
Any food at all?
No,
Don't they do food?
I guess not.
No food. No wonder they don't keep you long in here. You'll be dead.
I've been here for 8, 9, 10 hours.
10 hours.
Yeah.
They've got to give you some food. No food.
I've got other things to worry about. It's not like I can't afford to lose some weight. I'll be right.
You think that if you have someone in hospital, their glycemic index and their blood sugar would be important.
Stop.
Wow.